I'm the Barbecue Butcher. Today I'll be cutting a Carrara Wagyu Tomahawk into steaks. What makes this a great piece of meat is the Scotch fillet or Q roll on the rib bones. It makes one of the best tasting and looking steaks you can get on the market. First, turn it like that, and what we're going to do is cut the intercostals out between each rib bone. So remember, a sharp knife is a good knife, but you can use your normal kitchen knives. So you angle them about 30 degrees, go down the bone, make a little cut across at the cap. See the cap there? And when you come back up on that same angle again, take that to the side. It's all about angle down, angle up. Same here, same angle, down, cross, up. Same on this one, down, cross. Remember, coming up, be careful, don't get yourself in the face. And when you do this, do it the opposite way to me. So go up, and that will show you the rib bones that are there. Trim them up a little bit. Yep, and then just go back over, and then you go in the inside of the bone at the same angle, and it takes off the inside part of it. Just like that, and that trims it up, makes it a little bit nicer. Yes. So there's your four bones, your four rib bones, and we're going to cut one steak, two steak, three steak. We'll get four. Okay. Good tip is on the back. You can see where your bones are, so you know where to go through. Here are the bones, here, here, and here. And just go through there, and we'll just go through. So the best way of doing it, I like it going like this. Go down, straight down, and there you have a very lovely looking steak to go on your barbecue. Do the same again, straight down. There's some of the steaks. People ask me how big these are. That is about 2 kilos or 4 pounds in one steak. So you get it. There you go. Well done. Remember to like and subscribe my channel for some more beef cuts.